What is the correct way to do istikhara? For example, in the rishta process, should one start istikhara prior to considering a rishta, or start istikhara after the family has been met? What are the signs that should be looked for?
You see, when any rishta comes, any proposal is sent to you or any girl, then first you should know the apparent condition of that boy. How is his behavior? How is his religious attachment? How are his morals? Right? So, if you ask for these things and the family is good, the person is good, then you should do istikhara. And istikhara is that you seek Allah's guidance and pray to Allah Ta'ala. Istikhara doesn't mean that you will see the dream or Allah Ta'ala will tell you something through ilham that it is good for you or not. No. Istikhara is you pray to Allah Ta'ala that if this match is good for me, Allah Ta'ala help me. And if there are any doubts or reservations in my mind in this regard, Allah Ta'ala remove them and make this match good for me. If it is not, then Allah Ta'ala keep me away from this rishta. So this is the istikhara. If you feel satisfaction in your heart after praying, then it means you do it. There is a risk everywhere. We never can say 100% sure, but you see 90% you will be satisfied. And if you are satisfied in your heart, then okay, go ahead. If not, then refuse to accept that match. Okay?
Jazakallah, sir.